Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook without waiting for 48 hours. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Now first of all, open up the Facebook on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now if you tap on your profile icon alongside with the three line icon at the top of the interface, you will land on menu page. Now again tap on your settings icon, and if you scroll down here and if you tap on blockings, here you will get all the accounts that you have been blocked to. And if you change your mind to unblock that account again and you unblock that again, but again you found any suspicious activities from that account and you would like to block that account again for the second time, but you can't do that since you will be able to only block that again for the second times after 48 hours. But if you would like to block that account immediately, there is an alternative way. For that, what you can do is you can simply report the profile. In order to do so, go back. Now once you land on your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the upper left corner just below your home icon. That will take you to your profile page. Now scroll down a bit and under edit profile or edit public details button, you will get an option as friends, and from there tap on find friends, and on this interface at the very top you will see all your friends. If you tap on your friends button, and from here you select that account that you would like to block again and go to that profile space. Once you go on that profile space, now tap on three dot icon from the interface next to message button. Once you land on this page, now tap on report profile and you can select harassment or bullying. So tap on that, and once you land on this interface, simply tap on done and this account will get blocked immediately, which will reduce the interaction between that account and your account. And that was the way you can block someone on Facebook within 48 hours. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.